Are you looking for a beginner mirrorless camera? In this video, I will show you the 5 best beginner mirrorless camera based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Fujifilm XT200. XT200 is equipped with a vari-angle 3.5" / 16:9 aspect ratio widescreen LCD touchscreen that can be opened and closed between 0 to 180 degrees and rotated between -90 to +180 degrees. It also provides an intuitive and responsive control over the camera's features and functionality, and can be used to adjust a variety of settings, like brightness, background blur, film simulation effects, and image aspect ratios. Make the most of your everyday moments, and never miss a chance to have a memory be part of your story. The 4th product on the list is the Nikon Z50. Using the widest lens mount of any comparable camera system, the Z50 captures more light, meaning more of everything: good sharpness, contrast, focus speed, low light performance, and image quality. Z50 delivers the award-winning performance of Z series and the smallest interchangeable lens DX format camera ever. With a 20.9 MP DX CMOS sensor, a robust X6 engine, and the light-gathering advantages of the wider Z mount, photos and videos shot in low light look clean and professional. When shooting photos, Z50's outstanding autofocus system can lock onto your subject's eye and keep focus there, even when they're in motion, for beautifully focused portraits. The 3rd product on the list is the Panasonic GX9. First in mirrorless innovation, Lumix by Panasonic leads in mirrorless ILC camera innovation with the sleek, compact Lumix GX9. Its flat body style is favored by Lumix G enthusiasts, and noted for high image quality and the streetwise creative freedom it delivers. The Lumix GX9 captures vibrant, true-to-life, high-quality images with excellent resolution, high contrast, and impressive color reproduction. The 20.3 megapixel digital Live MOS sensor ensures maximum performance across a full range of Lumix G and Leica DG Micro Four Thirds lenses. The 2nd product on the list is the Sony Alpha 6000. Test the limits of your creativity with the premium mirrorless DSLR that's focused on speed. Every artistic shot you take, from fast action to candid, benefits from 24.3 MP detail and the world's fastest autofocus 6. For capturing crucial moments that go by in a blink, the A6000 can shoot 11 photos in 1 second. It's compact and easy to use too. 2 quick access dials let you change settings on the fly. Very intuitive. The Alpha 6000 is a super compact mirrorless camera that's about half the size and weight of a typical DSLR, yet it has the same size APS-C image sensor as most DSLRs. The interchangeable lenses and E-mount system make the Alpha 6000 more versatile than almost any other camera on the market. The 1st product on the list is the Canon EOS M50. The compact and easy-to-use EOS M50 camera helps you capture the world in vibrant images and impactful 4K UHD videos. With features from fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus to a built-in electronic viewfinder, it's easy to see and savor the best memories of your life. Preserve unforgettable moments in stunningly detailed video. The EOS M50 camera records up to 4K UHD 24p, which can give your videos a beautifully cinematic look. You can also shoot in full HD 1080p or go for a smooth slow-motion effect using high-speed 120p and HD. Improved dual-pixel CMOS AF features a wide AF area, advanced subject tracking, and eye detection AF. See how the EOS M50 can easily deliver the high-quality photos and videos you've always imagined. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.